There's dog food in my hood of the car? What? That's so weird.
Good morning, Strider. Good morning, Strider. Good morning, Carl.
Good morning.
Marianne.
Good morning.
Hope you're having a good breakfast. Giant strawberry waiting for you in the corner.
Nice. Goodbye, Carl.
Yes.
Thanks for the hospitality.
Calm down.
Good morning, and welcome to day 3 of Mission PEI. We will shortly be signing out of Lansing, Michigan, on our way back home to London. What color of glove? Is it blue? Hey Strider, guess where we are? We're going to Walmart again. Never teach your child about Walmart. We actually are going to Kroger first to get some beer. Michigan beer to bring to PEI on stop 1. Michigan actually has a lot of awesome beer from Michigan itself, a lot of craft breweries. This time, because Marianne's knee, we got Strider too. We did not do our usual beer tasting, but soon enough we'll be back and we'll go to some places and taste some beer. For now, let's bring some Michigan beer back to PEI. There it is. Cans though. I see one lone 12-pack of cans. Don't open that anytime soon.
Now that
looks pretty good. We're gonna try it. This has gotta go back. That is too much beer, but we're going to PEI. Rather buy it here. This one, Dragon's Milk, is expensive, so whoops. But I think I'm gonna really like it. I'll let you know. So we came to Walmart to take back some of the clothes I got yesterday. Wanted to get a different size shirt, but it's not looking like they have it. Useless trip. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
Sometimes I grow so tired.
It is now 2:45 p.m. and we're still in Lansing, so leaving a little later than I originally wanted, but we're hanging out, we're visiting, it's all good. It's Strider's nap time, he's still awake, so he's gonna nap on the way home. Might be a late night for him. I'm tired, might have to have a nap. Stayed up later than I should last night. Anyways, we're gonna go for a little walk now. It's a deer. Do you see the deer? Strider, look at it.
Oh, there are 2 of them. Do you see?
Whoa.
Oh, it just ignored you. I guess it's used to it. Cool. Driver.
We haven't gone very far, have we? She's busy though. Beautiful day. There is a goddamn mouse or something in my car. Check this out. That is so oh my god. That's dog food? What the? That is friggin'.
Hello, how are you?
I'm well. Yourselves?
Fine, thanks. Oh my gosh. Just discovered I think there's a mouse in the hood of my brother. I think there's a mouse in the hood of his car because it's been storing dog food in there.
There's dog food in there.
Have a good day.
Alright. That's a tired little boy.
Very tired.
It's time to leave Lansing now. Strider's gonna sleep in the car.
Till next time.
Bye, Michigan. Bye, Marianne. Bye, Carl. To the east we go. So, on our way back home to London one last time where I still feel like we live in the house. Who knows if we'll actually sell the house or not, or if it'll be rented out, or if we'll leave London forever. I will say that I do not love London, Ontario, but I do love the location of it. Just under 3 hours away from Lansing, Michigan, where my sister and Carl are. 2 hours away from Toronto, where I've got a bunch of friends. You know, some business things come up there, meetings, whatnot. 4 hours from Kingston, Ontario, where I'm from, the hometown. So I will definitely miss the location. Anyways, I'm excited to go there tonight one last time. Strider's so tired. It is 5:20 p.m. and he has not had a nap yet. That is a record of some kind. To the east.
Originally from Toronto and known for his award-winning documentary Shark Water about the global impact of hunting sharks.